Okay. So threading a Singer 2502C. This machine, I don't have any spool pins for it, so I just stuck some thread on the bobbin winder. Normally you'd start with one of the two spool pins in the location here, and then it's got a hook here with the bobbin winding button, and then it's got the easy thread, so it just goes down around that cover and pops into the take-up arm, and then the pigtail here, and the guide on the needle bar is the same direction as the pigtail, so it swirls like this, and then there's one swirl to get it into that needle bar guide, and then the machine threads from front to back. Alright. Bobbin case insertion for the 2502. Very simple. Set it in here, and then the black tab here just has to sit over. So now your bobbin case is in place. And to load a bobbin, we want our bobbin to unroll counterclockwise, and then there's the first slot in the case, pulls around and out the second slot. And to insert and remove the bobbin case, you have to have the needle plate off, but obviously now that we put our bobbin in, we can pop our needle plate back in, and then the thread comes across, and you can close the door, and it is ready to pick up the thread. Bobbin winding on the 2502. I don't have proper spool pins, those are on order, but the spool here, it's got the standard button, so you wrap around the front and it crosses over to the bobbin winder here. The bobbin winder has a spring in it, so it positive shifts to engage, and the clutch lock on the machine is a big knob on the end, so loosen that, and then the bobbin winder engages. It has this finger here to push the bobbin off when it's done winding, and this is a class 66 machine. It came with metal bobbins, so, and the one that is with it has some thread on it, so I'm not going to wind any more thread on the bobbin.